If you're experiencing issues with League of Legends updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing your connection with other websites or applications. Step 2. Restart the client. Close the League of Legends client completely and reopen it. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches that cause the update to freeze. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the League of Legends shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can help the client gain the necessary permissions to update properly. Step 4. Clear the download cache. Navigate to the League of Legends installation folder and locate the Riot Games folder. Delete the downloads folder inside it. Restart the client, and it will recreate the folder and attempt to update again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling League of Legends and then reinstalling it. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issues and get back to playing League of Legends. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.